Can you say, Glama, I love you?
Mama, are you?
Thank you. Okay guys, welcome to another Cooking with Glama session. I look really bad right now. We are making chicken pineapple quesadillas. Let me see if I can find the recipe card. I've already started it. This is what it's gonna look like. Chicken pineapple quesadillas with pico de gallo and Southwest sauce. So yeah, following the instructions. I've already cut up some bell pepper and some onion. And I've got olive oil in there. So yeah, I will show you the next step in a minute. Okay, and I forgot to tell you that I already added salt and pepper in here as well. And in a minute I'm going to add the pineapple. Here's the pineapple that they sent. I've already drained it. After I put the pineapple in, I cook it for another 2 minutes and add more salt and pepper, it says. So I'm softening these up for like 5 minutes. I've got about a minute left on the timer. Okay, about 46 seconds left on the timer. There's the trova. There's the trova. Okay, let me pause it for a little bit. Timer's up. Let me add the pineapple now. It says to add salt and pepper. Again. Salt, pepper, and now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So let me put the timer back on. Okay, I've put it for 3. So after 2 to 3 minutes, I turn off the heat and I just set the pan aside, and then I'm going to make some pico de gallo in a minute. What, baby? What are you doing? Are you playing with your magnet? Magnet. Yeah, Glama has an owie right there. There's Finesse. Alright, we got 3 minutes on this, and I'm going to already go start the pico de gallo. I'm going to wash this. Okay. It says to chop it up, the cilantro. I was watching her, make sure she wasn't going to touch it. She saw that I was over here, so now she's like, Grandma, you moved. Okay, so there's the cilantro. Need better knives. It says to dice the tomatoes. And Petrova hurts herself. She says sorry, because when she used to hurt herself, we would always say, "Oh, baby, I'm so sorry." So now she says sorry when she hurts herself. It's so cute. I mean, not cute that she hurts herself, but cute that she says sorry when she hurts her own self. Ay, 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 almost got my finger. That would not be good. Because these knives are so bad. Okay, my timer's up over there. Okay, I gotta finish dicing those in a second. here's what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and move this off of there. And I'm gonna leave the heat going. Let me turn this off. I think I'm gonna use it again for the chicken. Finish dicing all this. Yeah, these knives are not good. Okay. So in the bowl, it says to combine the tomato, the minced onion. That's not really minced, it's more chopped. Minced onion. Tap the cilantro and squeeze the lime. Hard to squeeze. Let's do this because it is not squeezing. It's because I've lost a lot of strength. Okay, now it says to put half the cilantro in there. Okay. Salt and pepper. Here's the salt. Pepper. Just use this right here to mix it up. Okay, here's my pico de gallo. And now we're going to start on the chicken. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna take this veggie mixture out of the pan, because I'm gonna use the pan again. It says to just use the same pan. Okay. So here are the veggies. Put this back on. Put some olive oil in here. And I just washed the chicken, so I'm gonna put that in there. Hold on, let me drain it a little bit more. Okay. So it came already kind of in, what do you call it? Little slices or dices or slivers. So, okay. There's that. And I'm going to let it brown for a little bit, and then I'm going to add the southwestern spice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the spice already. It says all of it, right? Yeah. Alright, so let's do that. Smells so good. Never had quesadillas this fancy. Okay, here's some pepper. Some salt, and it says to cook for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5, but I've already been doing it about a minute. So 3 minutes on the timer. Smells like a Mexican restaurant. All right. I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so the timer just went off and it says to put the pineapple veggie mixture back in. onion, you're not escaping. And then it says to squeeze the other half of the lemon. So I'm going to shut the camera off because I need 2 hands because I'm very weak right now. I'll be right back when I'm done squeezing the lemon. Okay, and now it says to throw in the other half of the cilantro. Okay. I love cilantro. Woo, I love it. Turn off the heat. And that's it for the meat. Let me read the next step. Okay, now it says to drizzle olive oil on one side of each of the tortillas. It says to rub it on. So I'm a rubbing. It's a big tortilla. Okay, and it says to put the oil side down. They gave me tore up tortillas though. Okay. I don't see Papa. Oh. Okay, well this is not big enough for these tortillas.
Same place. We got another message. Finally calling back.
Oh, I think I'm going to use this one because this is bigger. You know what? I think I'm going to use 2 different pans. Okay, so let me do one thing first. You're sick? No, not right now, baby. Glama's busy. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some cheese on here. I'm going to do that on both of them. Okay, and then it says to put some meat on it. Ooh, I think I need something bigger than this. Let's use this. Ooh, looks so good. Sprinkle with cheese. Sprinkle with cheese. Fold it in half. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the broiler. Let's see if this is gonna fit in there. Okay, so I ended up putting them in like that, and now I'll go ahead and close it. And we'll see how long I'm supposed to broil it for. About 1 to 2 minutes it says. So let me set the timer 1 to 2 minutes. I'll do 2 and check it at 1 though, okay? So Adam just brought me some wine. I should save it for my next paparazzi party.
You said something about doing wine for your next one, so I bought the bottle of Scotland.
So Adam had a stressful day at work, so he's having a beer. Whenever he wants alcohol, he always buys me some so that he doesn't feel guilty.
I was gonna get you that one anyways, and I brought you this one.
So the only thing left to do is wait for those to finish broiling in the broiler, and then we're gonna serve the pico de gallo on the side along with some sour cream. That's it. It says it's time. Oh my word. It doesn't look done yet. It doesn't look done to me. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit. So I had put it on convection oven instead of broil, so now it's doing something. It's been in there about a minute, and I'll show you what it's doing. Now it's browning on the top. Yay, looking good. Okay, so here they are. Adam's gonna take the more cooked one. So I'm going to cut it. I hope it doesn't fall apart. I'm gonna have a hard time picking these up. The tortillas are so crunchy. I've got a feeling this is gonna be really hard to eat. Because the tortillas are so all the fillings coming out. Okay, so there we are. And then I'm gonna serve it with some pico de gallo. Okay. Do you want sour cream on your plate or no?
No, that's okay.
Okay. All the sour cream on mine. I love me some sour cream. Dinner's ready. Order up. Okay, so here's what it was supposed to look like, but our tortillas were a bit crunchier, so I got a feeling it's gonna fall apart a little bit. But I tasted the pico de gallo and the sour cream together. It looks so good. It tastes so good. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Baby, I need to get your hand out of there so I can take a picture. All right, Adam. I don't know how you're gonna try to eat it. You can try to pick it up. If it doesn't work, then you can use a fork. See, this is a big old showtime. Look, Vanessa, Petrova, everybody, we all come and watch to see how he likes it. And see, I knew it was gonna fall apart, so we need to use a fork. It's good and messy, huh? You need paper towels. Awesome. Alrighty, guys. How many stars out of 5?
5.
Cool.
That's a 5.